Okay, a quick look at what happened on Friday and today. On Friday in the morning, the markets were above the key support levels and held them. They went below those early in the afternoon, and then there was a small corrective bounce up, which under normal technical circumstances should have led to another leg down. But because they were below the key support levels in the meantime, and it was a Friday afternoon, which means they were absolutely determined to try to get the market back above those support levels before the end of the day in order to get them closed there for the week, they blasted the market up instead. It went above the key support levels again in the process and stayed there for the rest of the day. They managed to hang on through to the end of the day. Okay, through for the rest of the day. So that's how the week ended. Question became, how would it do on Monday as a result, especially Monday morning, which was this morning. Okay, so how did it go this morning? There was an initial drop, but they managed to get it back up there again. Then they hung on for a while, barely hanging on to the key support levels for a while, but in the afternoon it went up more. Okay, late afternoon it came down hard again. Basically the Dow ended up at just about zero, just above zero, and the S&P, the broader indexes, the S&P 500 and the tech index, the NASDAQ, actually ended the day below zero. The NASDAQ well below zero, and the NASDAQ was actually below zero all day long. It came close to zero a few times, but it was below zero all day long. NASDAQ effectively still leading it to the downside, as is so often the case in down markets. Okay, so they did manage to barely hold the support levels again today, hanging on for dear life still. But the reality is, from the point of view of the market itself, the overall up move that started early in the day today and ended late in the day before that fast move down had a very corrective look to it, and then it looks like the fast move down started before the end of the day again. It just ran out of time to go any further by the looks of it. Okay, bottom line is overall trend is still down. Okay, we'll see how that plays out for tomorrow and the next day. One more thing to keep in mind in that context, oil prices did go up again today substantially. The stock market was trying to fight against that as well, and a headline that I saw during the day said that gasoline futures, gas futures, not natural gas futures, gas futures as in gasoline futures, went to a record high today, meaning the high gas prices that are out there already are going to go up even more pretty soon. Not exactly a surprise under the circumstances. We'll see how well the market holds up once that actually happens, once it actually becomes a reality at the gas pump. Okay, so for now it is hanging on just above those support levels, but chances are they won't hold very long. Okay, we will see what happens over the next few days and weeks, and I guess I'll report as we go. We'll see. I have a feeling it's going to be an issue pretty soon. So it's really just a matter of time. The question is how much time. So we'll see how it goes. I don't think it will be much time at all, but things are changing. It's a very dynamic situation. Things are changing on nearly a daily basis, if not often, sometimes more often than once a day. Usually not in the right direction these days, usually not in the good direction these days, which is part of why I'm doing these videos. Okay, and it looks like that will continue for the time being at least. So Remains to be seen how long the stock market traders can hang on under the circumstances. We'll know soon enough. I'll know it in real time when I look at the market, and I'll do videos accordingly as well as for other developments as they happen. We'll see how it goes over the next few days.